Hello guys, welcome back to another video. How are you today? So today we'll discuss about the Amazon. Not we are discussing about Amazon, we are discussing about our custom PC. We'll build a custom PC on Amazon website. Amazon is an largest platform for these all accessories or custom PCs. We are trusted. We can say that a trusted PC, but its shipping is very time taking, so we can purchase from other websites if we want to buy a faster service. So let's do make a little, we have to check out its pricing. We'll make a customized PC on Amazon. So first of all, these are the filters here. We'll discuss about these filters and we'll make a nicer PC according to our requirements. So Skytech Gaming, I just wanna buy HP, not a HP, ASUS. Okay, we'll just apply these all filters here, search here. So price range, no, I just wanna check my price. I just wanna buy a nicer PC for my designing purposes here. So these all the PCs are ASUS. So CPU manufacturer, I just wanna need AMD. These filters will work or not, I rather we cannot say anything here. So processor count, 12 core processor, no, I don't want a processor count here. PSI Express, we don't need this one also. We need this one, but we'll not check this one. So Windows 10 Pro, our need is Windows 10 here. So the PCs are totally erased from these all things. So we'll check out the price range is 16 GB. It's not Ryzen, this check, we can't apply this one. So Ryzen 9, AMD Ryzen ASUS with the usage of ASUS ROG Strix, the combination of ASUS and AMD here. AMD Ryzen 9 is in $4,299 here. We'll check about this one. So it's ASUS ROG Strix GA35 gaming PC, G4 RDX 3090 here. So we'll discuss about this one PC here. How much games this PC is can play easily. Vertically mounted NVIDIA G4 RDX 3090, vertically mounted. We can check out this one. It's a vertically mounted here. So this one is a very bad thing for PCs because horizontally they are literally nicer with their RGB lighting. So 24 GB GDDR6 graphic card here, 1395 megahertz boost clock speed. Boost clock speed is a 1695 megahertz. TDP total power required is 350 watt. GPU ports and a 2x HDMI 3x DP liquid cooled AMD Ryzen 9 here. So 1 TB hyperdrive PCI NVMe. So this PC is a beast for gaming, we can say that. ROG Strix scope, keyboard and ROG Chakram core gaming mouse included. Game your way with the ASUS RR Sign RGB classic lighting and a transparent glass panel. So we can get a nicer special offer and product promotions here. This one is Amazon and we can product summaries here. Processor 4.8 gigahertz Ryzen 9 2 TB SSD here. NVIDIA GeForce RDX 3090, NVIDIA GT RDX 3090, 24 GB, number of USB ports 2, and these all the other things and technicals are used in this PC build. So Windows 11 Pro, 33 pounds, item weight So these are the dimensions and the other things here. We can discuss about these all things here, buy it with a nicer price. This one is Amazon, and Amazon is the biggest platform on the world, uh, in the world. So we can check out its other images to take a deeper look on this PC. So this PC is nicer for gaming performance. We can check out the its benchmarks, RTX 3090 benchmarks here. Performance, we can check out G4 RTX 3090 performance here. This one is a video card benchmark.net. So bus interface PCI. Oh, it's a 3090 is a well-known graphic card. Every gamer knows this graphic card. And submitted baseline distribution graph as of 15th of June 2023. This one is about I think so 4090 graphic card here. So we can't use this graphic card in this build. So this one is also about a 4070 Ti is equivalent to 390 graphic card. So these all the things here, but let's move on back to our PC build. So guys, that was ASUS ROG Strix on Amazon. So I'll see you in next one video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.